Hello, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the formula to evaluate a geometric series. So we're going to start with S, which is going to represent the sum of our geometric series. And our geometric series is going to be A plus AR squared all the way up to the nth term, which is going to be A times R to the power of n minus 1. And as you can see, in this case, A is our first term, and R is our common ratio. So to find this formula, we're going to want to get rid of most of the terms in the series. We can do that by multiplying both sides by R first. So we're going to have S times R is equal to AR plus AR squared plus AR cubed all the way up to AR power of n minus 1 plus AR power of n as our last term. So why did we do this? Well, as you can see, now the first term of our series matches up with the second term of our previous series. Our second term here matches up with the third term before, and it would keep going like that until we get to our second to last term here, which matches up with the last term of our previous series. So now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract both the equations. We're going to do SR minus S, and that's going to leave us with ARN minus A, because the only two terms that don't get cancelled out are the last term of our first series and the first term of the previous series, A. So now we're going to factor out R minus 1 from the left side, and that's going to give us S times R minus 1, which is equal to, we're going to factor out the A, that's A times R to the power of n minus 1. Then finally, we're going to divide both sides by R minus 1. So S is going to be equal to A times R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Now it's important to remember that in this case, we just assumed that R is not equal to 1. So this formula right here will not work if R is equal to 1. Now, let's try it out. Let's say we have a geometric series 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32. In this case, A is our first term, so A is equal to 2. The common ratio is going to be 2, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and so on and so forth. So R is equal to 2, and n is the number of terms we have in our series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. That means our sum should be equal to 2 times 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. That's going to be 2 times 31 over 1, which is 62. Now let's test to see if that works. 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32, that's 6. That's 24, 30, so we're going to have 30 plus 32, and that's 62. Thanks for watching. Bye.